Hello and welcome to this short demonstration for creating a screencast using Articulate 360. In this video, we will show you how to start a new storyline project, select your screen display size, initiate a screencast and select your settings, and finally ending your screencast and publishing the completed project. From the options displayed, which is the best definition of screencasting? If you said allow users to record their audio and visual activities that occur on their screen, including mouse movements, images, and video, you're absolutely correct. Open Storyline 360 and click the New Project button in the top left of the screen. The Story View panel will be displayed with the default untitled scene displayed in the center. Right-click the scene and select Rename to change the default name. Click the Design tab on the ribbon toolbar, then click the Slide Size button at the left. Click the arrow in the preset field and select your preferred size, then click the OK button. Click the Save icon in the top right corner of the screen. Give the project a name, then click Save. Under the Slides heading in the ribbon toolbar, click the Record Screen button. The recording frame will be displayed along with the How to Record instructions. Follow the instructions by moving and resizing the frame. Click the Record button. Wait for the countdown to complete, then execute your script. When you have completed your script, click the Done button or press the Escape key on your keyboard. The Insert Slides pop-up window will display. In the first field, give the screencast a name. Then select if your screencast should be displayed as a single video on a single slide or step-by-step slide. Select if you want to insert the screencast into a new scene or into the current scene by selecting it from the drop list. When done, click the Insert button. Click the Publish button next to the Preview button in the upper right corner of the toolbar. If not defaulted, enter the title of your project, then enter a short description in the field provided. For this demonstration, we're going to publish our screencast to web format. Click the Web tab, then click the Publish button. Storyline will render your screencast. When completed, the published pop-up window will display, advising that the publish is completed. Click the View Project button to see the completed screencast, or select from the four options of emailing, FTP, zip file, or to open the folder location that the published files are stored. Click Close and you are now done. Thank you for taking part in this demonstration, and good luck in your screencasting.